Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Apple TV as a home hub in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the settings on your Apple TV. In your settings, you will be shown bunch of different options like we have general, accounts, video, audio, etc. So among these, you just have to look for the option of accounts first. Just make sure that you are signed in into the iCloud with the same Apple ID that you use on your iPhone home application. Now, this is most important step because Apple TV only becomes a home hub when both the devices are linked to the same account. So in the settings, you just have to basically open the AirPlay and Apple Home. After that, simply scroll down and select the option of room. Then you need to simply assign your Apple TV to a room and create a new one. Once you assigned it to a room, your Apple TV will automatically added to your home setup and it will becomes a hub in the background. Your Apple TV must be connected to the same home Wi-Fi or the Ethernet. It should be stay powered on and it should be updated to the latest version. So you can open the home application on your iPhone. Then you can simply go to its settings and look for the option of home hub and bridges. You should see your Apple TV listed as connected. If it shows standby or not responding, you can restart your Apple TV and check your network again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.